Hi friends, Little Vintage Me 64 here. Today I have a quick haul to share with you. I also got William a girlfriend and I need help naming her, so I'll show you her in a moment. And she is a saucy little minx. I have to put a little sticky note on her. I had to cover her up a little bit. I'll show you that in a moment. Before I get started, I wanted to shout out to two of my new friends. I would like for you to check them out too. The first one is me, myself, and DIYing. If you like decor, home decor, tablescapes. She does some beautiful tablescapes. She does some collabs with other people also, so you can join in on those. She also has a few recipes on her channel, so go check her out. I will link her information underneath my video when I get done here. And then also my new friend from Side Street Market. Some of you might already know her. She does have an Etsy shop and she has a YouTube channel. She's got a couple of booths in Daytona, Florida area. I will also link her channel below. She is also thinking about possibly in the future having a live sale. So go check out both of those girls, please, and I will link everything below. Okay, let's get started. I didn't get much, but I did get two strawberry items, which I'll share with you here in a moment. My first item I got is this very heavy-duty sharp metal. Does anybody know what this is? Maybe I should do a whatchamacallit. I think I'm gonna have I'll do my contest here. What do you guys think this is? I got this for $1. Normally when I see these, they're flimsy, but this one is a very heavy duty one. So you guys guess, tell me what you think this is. That one should be pretty easy. Okay, then I got this for free at the church rummage store. They always have a little bin where things are free. So I got this Princess Diana beanie bear. So it can't beat free. Then I got this little cosmetic bag. Still had the new tags on it. It says, she needed a hero, so that's what she became. And I'm going to give this to my daughter because she is an RN at a trauma hospital. So I think she's my hero. So I'm going to give her that. She can put her cosmetics in there. Then I got these for 50 cents. There's some kind of little beakers. I'm going to use these for my Halloween decor when I set up for my Halloween decorations. Then I got this very large, I think I paid $3 for it. Yeah, this very large throw. It is very big. It's got the faux fur. It's very soft. And then on the other side, it's also very soft, like a velour on one side and the fake fur on the other. So I got to wash that real good. Then for 50 cents, I got me one of those giant IKEA bags. I won't open it all, but you guys know these big bags, right? 50 cents. Then I got me this here. Now, this right here, this linen, I've seen people advertising this as like doilies or oh, I forgot what else they were calling it. I don't remember now, but they were calling it doily and something else. This is not a doily. If you see these that look like kind of like a star, these are for baskets. And you put them in the basket and then you fold over the edges. I don't know if I can do it this way here. So you fold over the edges and it keeps, you know, like your bread or whatever you have in your basket, it keeps it fresh. It's not a doily. It's a basket liner is what it is. I don't have a round basket, but see, you put this in the basket and then you fold over the tabs like this. It's a basket liner, but I thought this was very pretty. I think I only paid 50 cents for this also. Then for $1, I got a bed caddy. This part goes under the mattress. And then this part hangs with all the pockets so you can put, you know, remote control or your phone, your glasses. Very nice condition. There's no stains or anything. Then, oh, I got a few children's books. My favorite author when I was about 12 years old was Judy Blume. Do you girls remember Judy Blume? She wrote Are You There, God? It's Me, Margaret, and I do have that book. But I got Judy Blume, Just as Long as We're Together. Then I got Tales of a Fourth Grade Nothing. And I'm hoping to pass these down to my grandkids. Then again, maybe I won't. I remember all these books. Blubber. And when I was in the 6th grade, one of our projects was to write a letter to your favorite author. And of course, I did Judy Blume, and she actually wrote me back. And I don't know what happened to that. Being a hoarder, I probably didn't throw it away, but I don't know what happened to it. I don't know if my mom has it somewhere, maybe down in her basement or somewhere, but I hope to find that letter one day. But yeah, she wrote me back. She also has some good books for adults. So I would recommend you guys checking out Judy Blume. And then I got a little golden book, The Three Little Bears. I paid 10 cents for this. And then for 25 cents, I got these little, well, that's upside down, sorry. The conversation cards. And what I'm going to do is not today, though, because I already gave you guys a little trivia question on what that metal thing was. I'm going to read a card, and then you guys need to answer the question, okay? But we'll do that in the next video. Okay, my first strawberry item is this picture here, and it's heavy. It's got a nice thickness to it. With all the strawberries and the cute little flowers. I paid $1 for this. It does come with the original lid, except the lid has a little bit of a rip right here, but it's not too bad. So I paid $1 for that. Then let's see. Oh, then I just got me. I paid $3. I just got me a dress. It's nothing fancy. Just a simple little, like a t-shirt dress. It does have like lace on the bottom, but the top part reminded me of a scrub. I got that. Then I got for $2 the cars, and it teaches the kids how to draw, and then they can draw up here, and then they can erase it. So I thought that was cute. I paid $2 for that. It's got a little handle. They can carry it around. Just have to figure out how to keep the book. They need to almost have a strap here so that when you walk around, this doesn't open up. Okay, then my next strawberry item, I paid $5 for this. This was from the flea market. Is a strawberry tablecloth. I found no stains or anything on here. I don't know what size this is. Let me stand up. I'm assuming it's going to cover a card table. It's bigger than the top of a card table. But it's very cute. It's got faint little blue butterflies. So that was my second strawberry item. Okay, now let's get to William's girlfriend. I got this from a local thrift store. Look, whoever had it tore this whole backing off. I guess they must have thought there was money or something hidden back here. But are you ready? Here she is. Isn't she pretty? Now like I said, I had to cover her up. She is showing a little bit too much. I wasn't sure if I'd get in trouble on YouTube or not. But what should we call her? What does she look like? I'm assuming she's probably from, would you say the 60s? So we need to think of a 60s name. Something maybe cute and sexy. And then I'm gonna hang her up here. I'm gonna have to move William over and we'll put those two together. So what do you think we should name her? Please comment below, and then I'll pick out a name. I've got a couple names that I've thought of, but I want to see what you guys come up with. And then my last thing, I wanted to give you guys a tip for anybody that has a booth or has inventory. I used to use these, the ones you get from the fast food restaurants to hold your cups. These work great if you have glasses in your booth. Like if you have, a couple sets of glasses. This makes them a little bit sturdier. And also when people put glasses in their shopping carts, they don't have to worry about the glasses rolling or, clinging together. So I would recommend saving these and putting, glasses in here and just setting this on your shelf. Now, if you think this is ugly, you can always, spray paint it if you want to, but I never did. I just left it like this, and it really helped. And it also helped, like if I had, 4 glasses, that somebody just didn't take a glass out and, put it somewhere else. It helped a little bit. It was more likely that they left them in here than instead of, moving my glasses around. So, but it's a great carrier for things like that. And also, if you have inventory shelves at home, it just keeps the glasses a little bit safer. So that is my tip, and it really works. So everybody, I hope you enjoyed my video and my quick little haul. Please leave me a comment. Please leave me a thumbs up and let me know what I should call this pretty young lady here. Okay? So, and go check out my 2 friends. Thank you, everybody. Bye.